G'day mates, g'day friends, how are you guys doing today? Welcome to this video review. Guys, I'm Aline, all right? And today I'm actually here because I want to talk to you about losing weight. So let's just focus on something very, very important here. No more needing to work out. I mean, if you like to do that, sure, but you know, with this supplement that I'm about to introduce to you, you guys don't have to work out to do diets or starve yourselves to lose weight anymore. And Livpure can give you that. So stay right there if you are interested, if you really want to lose weight or you don't have the time or the money to do so. This is a really great alternative. And Livpure is something that is natural and safe and good for you. So stay right there, guys, because in today's video, I will be sharing with you everything regarding Livpure. You're going to get yourselves into all the details about it, all the alerts, the precautions. So listen up, okay? Also, did you know that the manufacturer only sells Livpure on their official website? That is the only place on the internet that it is allowed to be sold on. So I did go there. I got the link for you guys and I left it in the description box just here below this video. You're welcome. But you know, since I am here just to help you guys out, I decided to do that as well. So you don't need to waste your time looking it up on the internet. All right. Now, well, what makes Livpure so cool is that Livpure is actually the only product in the world that contains a proprietary liver purification and liver fat burning complex, each with a unique blend of Mediterranean plants and super nutrients, all designed to rapidly optimize your liver function. So how awesome is that? Like, you're gonna get ingredients that are from the Mediterranean, guys. They are so rich, so rare, and so exquisite, you know? So by supporting your body's natural detoxification process, you can speed up calorie burning and actually put your body into like a full fat burning mode. You know, it actually has like 10 super nutrients, and five of them are designed to support the body's detoxification process and support the health of your liver and dramatically maintain your overall health and energy. So yes, you can lose weight, be very energized, very energetic, full of disposition and happiness and joyfulness and less stress, less anxiety, and completely detoxify your body. So you're going to be healthy, clean, and no bad bacteria laying around. And the other 5 super nutrients are basically designed to fire up your fat burning furnace, boosting your metabolism, putting your body into a full fat burning machine, and also support healthy, sustainable weight loss altogether. So that's how awesome Livpure is. And guys, this is a supplement that is free from GMOs. It is free from toxins and impurities. It has only natural ingredients that are good for you. That's why right now, as we speak, thousands, millions of people all over the world are experiencing amazing weight loss with Livpure. So it is potent, it is safe, it has no side effects and no contradictions. Why are you not using it? So guys, once you finished watching this video, go to the official website, all right? Read more about it. I strongly recommend that you check out people's feedbacks. Maybe you're going to relate to a story or two. But here's something else that you need to know about Livpure. You have to maintain a strict treatment. Use it every day. It is a natural supplement, so your body needs a few days to adapt to it, but you're going to realize that soon enough, you're going to be letting go of fats every single day. Every day, your fat stores are going to be targeted and melted off. So you're going to slim down until you have a totally perfect body that you love, that you're happy in, and your confidence and self-esteem is shooting out the roof. Plus, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee. 60 days is more than enough time for you to have awesome results with Livpure. Guys, visit the official website. You'll see what I'm talking about, okay? And if you have any questions or doubts, place them in the comments below and I will gladly help you out. Well, for now, thank you for watching this video. I hope I have helped you out somehow. I'll see you folks next time. Bye.